The next question is, if A and B is given, then find the matrix X so that the given equation 3A plus 5B plus 2X is equal to given. Now first we find the value of X in the terms of A and B of the given equation. First we note down the equation 3A plus 5B plus 2X. Note down. Now we find the value of X in the term of A and B. 2X is equal to 3A minus 3A minus 5B. This is the value of 2x in the terms of A and B. Now put the value of A and B from the given question. Then 2x is equal to minus 3. The value of x value of x, value of A minus 5B, the value of B Now we first the scalar multiplication of matrix A and B by the scalar quantity 3 and 5. Then 2x is equal to minus 9 multiplied by 3 1 multiplied by 3 4 multiplied by 3 and 3 also multiplied by 3. Scalar multiplication means the each element multiply of the scalar quantity multiply of the each quantity of the matrix. Now the second one, minus 5 is the scalar quantity of the matrix B, then 5 is the multiply of the each element of the matrix. Then 1 is multiplied by 5, 5 is multiplied by 5, 7 is multiplied by 5, 12 is multiplied by 5. Then 2x is equal to minus 9 3 ja, now solve the equation matrix. 9 3 ja 27, note down 27. 3 1 ja 3, note down 3 in the same position. 4 3 ja 12, note down 12 in the same position. 3 3 ja 9, note down in the same position. Now 5 1 ja 5, note down in the same position. 5 5 ja 25, note down in the same position. 7 into 5, note down in the same position 35. 12 5 ja 60, note down in the same position. Now the minus sign is multiply of each element in the next step. minus multiply of the each element of the matrix A, minus 27, minus 3, minus 12, minus 9, minus 5, minus 25, minus 35, minus 60. Now we find the add of matrix, given matrix in the next step. Minus 27 add in the corresponding element of the next matrix, it is minus 5, then minus 27 add minus 5. Similarly, minus 3 is the corresponding element in the next matrix, minus 25, then minus 3 add minus 25. Minus 12 is the corresponding element is minus 35, then minus 12 is at minus 35. Minus 9 is at in the corresponding element minus 60. Now solve the given matrix in the next step. Minus 27 minus 5, answer become 2 minus 32. Note down in the same position. Minus 3 and minus 25, the answer is minus 28. Note down in the same position. Minus 12 minus 35, result is 47, minus 47, note down in the same position. Minus 9 minus 60, answer is minus 69, note down in the same position, minus 69, note down in the same position. This is the value of 2x. Now find the value of x in the next step by the matrix is divided by 2 of each element and find the value of x. That is x is equal to 1 by 2 scalar multiplication by the matrix of the given matrix. Then 1 by 2 is the multiply of the each element of the given matrix. Now the first element is minus 32, then minus 32 is multiply 1 by 2. The next element is, first row is minus 28, then minus 28 multiply 1 by 2. The second row, first element is minus 47, then minus 47 multiply minus 1 by 2. The last element of the matrix is minus 16 and then multiply 1 by 2. Now simplify. Minus 32 divided by 2, then the result is become 2 minus 16. Note down minus 16 in the same position. Minus 28 divided by 2, then the result is 14 minus 14. Note down the same position. remaining value will be same. This is the result of the matrix X. Clear everyone? So step by step I clear all the step of this question. First we find the value of X in the term of A and B, then we put the value of A and B, after then the scalar multiplication and the addition of the matrix, find the value of 2x, then the value of x by divided by 2 of the each element of the matrix, then finally result is this. This is the answer of the given question. Now the come in the next problem. In the next problem, in this question, A and B are given, find the matrix C. It is given A minus C is equal to 3B. Student, you see that the matrix A and B in the same order. Matrix A order is 2 by 4, matrix B or 2 by 4. Then find the matrix of C, and the given condition is also given A minus C is equal to 3B. First we note down the given condition. First we note down the given condition. The condition is A minus C. To find the value of C in the terms of A and B, C is equal to A minus 3B. A minus 3B. Now put the value of A and B in the given question. The next step, C is equal to A, the value of A given in the question, note down here, minus (3b), 3, and the matrix B is note down here from the question. Now first we scalar multiply of matrix B by the 3. Multiply by 3. The scalar multiply 3 of the matrix means the 3 is multiply of the each element of matrix B. Then 2 is multiplied by 3. Minus 3 is multiplied by 3. 4 is multiplied by 3. Minus 1 multiplied by 3. 0 in the second row, 0 is multiplied by 3. 6 is multiplied by 3, 5y multiplied by 3, minus 7 is multiplied by 3. And the scalar multiplication is complete. Now solve of this matrix in the next step. Two 3 is 6. Note down in the same position. 6, 3 3 is 9, note down 9 in the same position. 4 3 is 12, note down 12 in the same position. 3 1 is 3, note down in the same position. 0 into 3, note down 0 in the same position. 6 3 is 18, note down in the same position. 5 3 is 15, note down in the same position. 7 is 21, note down in the same position. This is the scalar multiplication of B. Now we subtract of the given two matrices in the next step. If the first matrix is subtracted to the second matrix, then the corresponding element, then each corresponding element is subtracted from the given matrix. That is, the first element, first row, first column element is 1. The corresponding element of the first row, first column is 6. Then 1 is subtracted by 6. Similarly, the first row, second column is 4. The corresponding element in the second matrix is minus 9. Then 4 minus 9. Similarly, the first row, third column element in matrix A, in the second matrix, corresponding element is 12, then 3 minus 12. The last element of the first row is 6, the corresponding element in the second matrix is 3 minus 3, then 6 minus 3. Now we come in the second row. The second row, first column element is minus 3. The corresponding element is 0. Minus 3 subtracted by 0. 7 is the second row, second column element, and the corresponding element is 18. Then 7 is subtracted by 18. 0 is the second row, third column element, and the corresponding element 15. Then 0 minus 15. The second row last element is 2, the corresponding element minus 22, then 2 minus 21. Now we simplify out this matrix in the next step. Minus 1 minus 6, result is minus 5, note down the same position. Minus plus 9 plus 4 plus 13, note down the same position. 3 minus 12, answer become 2. 9, note down minus 9, the same position. Minus plus 3, 6 plus 3, result is 9, note down the same position. Minus 3 minus 0, result will become minus 3, note down in the same position. 7 minus 18, result become to minus 11, note down in the same position, minus 11. 0 minus 15, result become to minus 15, note down in the same position. Minus 21 plus 2, 23 plus 23, note down in the same position. This is the final result of the matrix C. Clear everyone? The question is given A and B are two matrices and find the matrix of C where A minus C is equal to 3B is given. The result of C is this. Clear everyone? Now we come in the next problem of the scalar multiplication. In this question, find the value of x and y if 2x minus y is equal to the matrix this and 2y plus x is the matrix of this. First, we note down the two matrix equation. Now the second one, this is note down equation 1. Note down the second matrix equation. This question based on the matrix equation in the form of x and y. This is a very good question. This is the question 2. Now we solve these two equations by the substitution method or elimination method. If the elimination method, we equal the one variable if equal to variable x or equal to variable y. Suppose that we equal to the variable y, then the first equation in the variable y scalar quantity is 1. In the equation second is the scalar y variable scalar quantity is 2. Then equal of the both the variable, then equation 1 is multiplied by 2, and after that we subtract and add equation 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2 and after that then after add equation then after add both the equation one and 2. First we multiply equation 1 by 2, then 2x multiply by 2, then 4x minus 2y is equal to 2 First we multiply equation 1 by 2. Now simplify this equation. In the next step, scalar multiplication. Multiply by the 2 is the scalar quantity, multiply by the given matrix, then the each element of this matrix is multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. Now simplify this matrix in the next step. 3 2 is 6. Note down the 6 in the same position. 3 2 is 6 minus 6. Note down in the same position. 2 into 0 0. Note down in the same position. 3 2 is 6. Note down in the same position. 3 2 is 6. Note down in the same position. 2 2 is 4. Note down in the same position. This is the matrix 1. Now the matrix 1 is add in the matrix 2. Note down the matrix 2 equation. X plus 2y is equal to equation, matrix equation, equation number 2. Simplify by adding. Add equation one and 2. If add 1 and 2, then 2y plus 2y minus 2y is cancelled out from the equation 1 and 2, and 4x plus 4x plus 1x is equal to 5x. 4x plus x equal to add this one in matrix 2. Note down here. If add equation 1 and 2, then 2y minus 2y cancel out the plus 2y and 4x plus x, and the first matrix is this, add by the second matrix of this. First 4x plus 1x equal to 5x. Note down 5x, and add of the given matrix by the addition method. Corresponding element, add up the corresponding element of each matrix. The first row, first column element in the first matrix is 6. The corresponding element in the second matrix is 4. Then 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. The corresponding element, the first row, second column element is minus 6. The corresponding element is 1. Then minus 6 is add in 1. 0 is the first row, third column element is 0, the corresponding element 5, then 0 is add is 5. 6 is add minus 1. 6 is add 4. Add by minus 4. 5x, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Simplify of this matrix. Minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Note down minus 5 in the same position. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Note down 5 in the same position. 6 minus 1, 5. Note down in the same position. 6 plus 4, 10. Note down 10 in the same position. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Note down in the same position. This is the addition of the two matrices. Now find the value of x. Then this matrix is divided by 5. The next step, x is equal to 1 divided by 5 of the given matrix. Note down the matrix. Now the scalar multiplication of 1 by 5 of the each element in the next step. Ten multiplied by 1 by 5. Five multiplied by 1 by 5. 5 multiplied by 1 by 5. 5 multiplied in the second column, 5 multiplied by 1 by 5. 10 multiplied by 1 by 5. The last column 0 is multiplied 1 by 5. Now calculate of this matrix in the next step. Ten is divided by 5, the result is 2. Note down in the same position. 5 divided by 5, the result is become 1. Note down in the same position. 5 divided by 5, result is 1. Note down in the same position. 5 divided by 5, result is 1. Note down in the same position. 10 divided by 5, result is 2. Note down in the same position. 0 is divided by 5, result is 0. Note down in the same position. This is the final result of the matrix x, the value of x. Clear, student? This is the very good question. Two equations in the form of matrix is given in this question. Then find the value of x and y. First, we solve these two equations by the elimination method. In this elimination method, the variable y is equal in both the equation. By multiply equation 1 by the 2, the scalar quantity 2. After then the multiply of the scalar quantity 2, then find the matrix, then find the equation in the new form is this. Then equation 2 is also given in the question. Then add both the equation because the variable of y is opposite symbol. Then add both the equation. If both the y is the same symbol, plus plus minus minus, then subtract the equation. But in the given question, the symbol of sign of the variable y is opposite. Then add equation 1 and 2. Now we add the equation 1 and 2, then the 2y plus 2y is cancelled out from the equation 1 and 2, and 4x plus x is add, and matrix equation is also add. Then 4x plus x equal to 5x, and the corresponding element of each element of the matrix A and B add. Then find the 5x value. Then we are calculated the value of x by dividing by 5 on both the sides. Then we get the result of this equation. Everyone is clear?